Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to mention someone in Instagram notes. Be sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Mentioning someone in Instagram notes allows you to tag friends directly, making their username clickable within your note. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap the message icon at the top right, or swipe left from your feed to access your direct messages. At the top of the messages section, you'll see the notes area. Tap on your profile picture at the beginning of this section to open a blank note. Once there, tap the text field to start writing your note. To mention a friend, simply type followed by their username. Instagram will suggest accounts as you type. Just tap the right one to tag them. You can also enhance your notes by adding videos or music. For guidance on that, check out the video in the description box. Once you're happy with your note, tap Share in the top right corner. Your friend will receive a notification, and they can click their username in the note to visit their profile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.